But when it comes to Donald Trump himself, let's put that out, as far as the federal court has now blocked President of the United States from imposing sweeping tariffs on imports under emergency powers of law, swiftly throwing into doubt when it comes to Donald Trump's signature set of economic policies that have rattled global financial markets. It has also frustrated the trade partners and has also raised broader fears about inflation intensifying, the economy slumping. Now, the ruling that came in from a three-judge panel at the New York-based U.S. Court of International Trade came after several lawsuits arguing Trump's Liberation Day tariffs exceeded his authority and left the country's trade policy dependent on his whims. Donald Trump, who has repeatedly said, Rishabh, that tariffs would only force manufacturers to bring factory jobs back to the U.S. and would generate enough revenue. However, when it comes to his multiple statements that he has been making, here is a U.S.-based court that has now, in a way, blocked Donald Trump from imposing sweeping tariffs.
Well, definitely, a U.S. court has now said that, the president is overreaching, overdoing on the tariff issue, and that's the reason that it has been put on hold. But remember, tariff is something which needs to be looked into. The way with China, the tariffs went as high as 250%. Then it was brought down. There have been this whole reciprocal tariff bluff that Washington has been playing, now has been called out domestically as well, because also it hits the domestic market. It's not only that, for example, a good X which is being prepared or which is being manufactured in India is being sold at $10 in United States, and if there is a 34% tariff that was initially conceptualized, and for 27%, it will cost you around $12.7 in United States. The end user, the American customers will have to pay extra. Definitely, the company will pay extra, but end of the day, it will be the customers who will be paying extra, and that's the reason.
Well, the ruling has come from a three-judge panel at a New York-based U.S. Court of International Trade that came after several lawsuits argued Donald Trump's Liberation Day tariffs that, according to them, exceeded his authority and left the country's trade policy dependent on his whims. For the moment, thank you very much, Rishabh, for joining in. With that,